guys confused what to eat in breakfast, what brunch you should have when you're hungry before dinner? और मुझे कभी कभी लगता है like डिनर से 3 घंटे पहले मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगती है. So what I do is I create quick recipes with muesli so that it can fill my tummy till 3 hours. उसके बाद मैं अपना खाना खा सकती हूँ. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the quick and easy recipe which can be made in just 5 to 10 minutes using muesli. I'm using the Kwality Muesli, turmeric, honey, ginger. My favorite flavor right now is the almond and raisin honey and turmeric and ginger flavor because I love it. I eat it daily, and this one I haven't opened it yet, but yeah, I will open it soon and finish it off. So this is very good. It doesn't have any added sugar, added artificial substance, which is very good for your health. And if you are ready to reduce weight, please dive straight into the video. I'll show you very quick recipes.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them.
give a thumbs up and let me know which is your favorite recipe, the first, the second one. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification and the like button, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye bye guys.